Hey everybody, this is the Salsa Robot, and today I want to show you the 2023 Nissan Sentra SR. Let's check this thing out. This thing is awesome. Okay everybody, here we are, kind of a long shot away from the 2023 Nissan Sentra SR. This has the midnight package. These cars are so super rare. I haven't even been able to film a 23 for you yet because when we get it in, it's gone in less than 5 hours. Finally got one in that I could film today. Check out the lines of this thing. You got the wraparound headlights, wraparound taillights that make you visible. Totally floating roof design, just like the Altima and the Maxima. In my mind, always, when they have the midnight package like this, it's like a disappearing roof to me because it's blacked out. Very cool. You got the blacked out mirrors. You've got body color door handles. Check out these wheels. I think these are really cool looking factory wheels. Let me get down here. That's an 18-inch wheel. Very cool. As you can see, front disc brakes. We got rear disc brakes as well. Very sporty little economical car. I'm gonna walk around this way. You got a blacked out spoiler here on the back. As you can see, you've got a chrome exhaust tip there with a blacked out finisher down here along the bottom. That's part of that midnight package. And of course you see the things that look like buttons there. Those are your sensors that are gonna beep at you when you're backing up. You've got that SR emblem right there, along with your Midnight Edition badging there. That line down the back of the car there. Very cool. Come along this way. Get you a view of this. Very cool car, very economical car. It's the baby Altima. As you'll see on the SR package, you do get the fog lights there. You have your really cool LED like daytime running lights. You've got your Nissan V-Motion grille up front here. And as you can see, part of that midnight package, it's a blacked out V-Motion grille. Gives the front of the car, if I take it down low, look at that. It's a pretty nice look to the front of the car. Pull back this way. Of course, underneath the hood, you've got the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's putting out a, oh gosh, I think it's like 149 horsepower. Let's look here. Yeah. 149 horsepower, 145 foot-pounds of torque. You'll see that gets you a nice combined 32 miles per gallon, 28 city, 37 highway. That's the EPA rating. Independent front and rear suspension. I will show you this here on the back. On the Nissan Altimas, it pops. It's like a chrome bumper protector. This one's got a clear film here that's a bumper protector, and it's got the Sentra right there. Let me pop this trunk. Nice big trunk. Look, it's got all my crap in there, my tripods and stuff. You've got a 60-40 split bench in the back there. Let me show you what that looks like. We'll go around this way. As you can see, you got your XM radio antenna there. If you want to pop down the rear seats here, you just pull that knob and you can fold that down. If you need to haul something a little longer, you got that fold down armrest right there with cup holders. I'm gonna put that back and I'll pop these seat belts back out so you can see them. But you can fit 3 people back here, 2 up front, of course. One thing that this doesn't have that I wish it had leather interior. It doesn't, but this is a cheaper car. You got this cool carbon fiber look insert here on the door panel. Of course, leather inserts here with that offset stitching. Very cool. let's get inside the car now, and I'll show you in there. Of course, while I'm out here, I'll show you that. You do have your intelligent key. There's your command button to unlock the doors. And another feature I don't always point out, but as much as I like safety, on this blacked out mirror, you have this nice turn indicator here on the mirror. Also makes you more visible, so when you do go to turn, people know what you're up to and they're watching. Makes it a little bit safer of a vehicle to drive. As I pan out here, I'll get you one more shot. But now let's get inside this car and check it out. Well, guys, we're inside the Nissan Sentra. I want to show you the inside of this car. It's pretty cool for a cheap car. Let me switch this camera angle and we'll check it out. I always like to start over here on the driver's door. As you can see, this is where your power windows, locks, power mirror control is. Up here, you can brighten and dim your dash. There's your trip reset. Of course, there's a release for the trunk and eco button there. Very good to have if you're driving in town. Pop that on, save you some money on gas. Down here, that's your release for your telescoping and tilt wheel. I don't know if I can show you that very well, as close as I am. Over here is where your headlight control is. I like to put it on auto all the time, and there's your fog lights there. Of course, your turn signals. And over on this side, your wiper controls. On this side of the steering wheel here, you have volume controls, jump ahead to your different tracks, a back button, and then these arrow buttons, of course, change that digital display in the middle there to all your different screens. Very cool. Got a digital speedometer there in the middle. Of course, you have an analog speedometer over here along with your gas gauge. You got your analog tach, temp gauge. Down below here, there's your digital odometer, and I love in cars now they do tell you how many miles you have till empty, and a nice clock and a nice thermometer. Nice overcast 78-degree day here in Topeka, Kansas. Not bad for July. Right here, oh, there it brightened up. I wondered, this car just came in, somebody must have left that on, but that's for at night. It makes that a little darker so it doesn't strain your eyes. I'll pop that to daytime so we can see better. And of course, you got your different digital touch screens here. You can kind of customize. I like to just home screen. Of course, I leave the audio off so I don't get sued. Down here, I love this. These vents, I love these on the Sentras. Very simple to use. I can turn it like that, shuts off airflow. Turn it like that, it's on. Very easy to adjust wherever I want. Down here, knobs and buttons, right? Dual climate control in the Sentra SR, very nice. There's your button there to go. A little more AC, a little bit less, and of course there's your different modes right there. Down below that, you're gonna have your chargers, your auxiliary, there's your 12 volt right there. Nice place to put your phone if you need to. There's your start stop button, nice leather shift boot. Of course, you do have a leather wrapped wheel with the offset stitching as well that carries over here to the shift boot. Nice little spot here in case you had some change or something. Big cup holders, nice big console, nice armrest on the console, leather with the offset stitching. Pop it open. What do you got in there? Hello. Very deep console. Now let's check out this seat. Just like the back seat, you've got cloth, but you got this cool design with the offset stitching. I like that. Kind of the sporty feel that you're going to get in the SR. I believe with a different package you can get a different material instead of the cloth. I have to look that up. I can't remember everything. I will point this out over there on the A-pillar. You've got that little spot there. Let me swing over here closer. There's your blind spot monitor right there. That'll light up if somebody's in your blind spot. And of course, if you hit your turn signal, it's going to shoot that little buzz or chime at you to make sure, hey, watch out. Got a standard rear view mirror right there. And then of course up here, we've got a nice place for your glasses, sunglasses, and your dome light controls. I wonder if this is lit up. Nope, not lit up in the SR. With a different package, this might have a light for the mirror, but you know, mirror there. And of course you got your tripod mounts there. Tons of airbags in this thing. You got airbags here, up here. Very safe car. Love the Sentra. Can't say anything bad about it, really. Look at this. Even got that cool same material as right here you're gonna have over here in your vent, around your vent. You do have that kind of carbon fiber insert there around your gauges. Very cool. A little bit of chrome there, and of course around there. I don't know, I call it chrome because I'm old. I guess that's more of like a brushed aluminum or something. Well, everybody, this has been the 2023 Nissan Sentra SR with the midnight package. I'm so pumped that I finally got to do a video on one of these cars. Every time we'd get one in, it was either already sold or it sold the day we got it in. These have been very hard to get your hands on, but if you can get your hands on one of these, they're pretty well priced for a car that's going to get you good mileage. Nice little commuter, sending a kid off to college or something. Maybe get them one of these. Or if you're a little bit older and you're wanting to downsize to something and you want good mileage, these Sentras are pretty nice. One thing I did forget to say is what we had here. No power seats in the SR with this package. I believe with like a premium package, you can get a power seat on the driver's side. I've got to look that up, but that's another video. If you guys like this video, maybe check out this video showing up right here on the screen. Also, like and subscribe. But I'll see y'all on the flip side, make you some more videos soon, and y'all have a good day.